Hello YouTube, this is how to convert a Raider CS35 into a very new, very improved pump action gun. So you can make it action into an airsoft gun, but I will show that video later on. So, I unscrewed this, you see, it's a couple screws, screw 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what it does, it takes it off, then there is a loop in there that you see is connected, and it takes it off basically. So, the next thing I did was, I took the pump action up the top of this pump action shotgun from Kryptek, put the little loop into the pin, tighten it up, tighten the screws up. Had to modify it because it would not get past this part right here. So I had to cut it, as you see, it's roughly cut it. I had to clean it up a little bit. So, I roughly cut it. That's really it. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Here we go. That's my RS35.